Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Photos app. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open Play Store. Then once you open it, you should now search for Amazon Photos app. So here in my case, I'll search for it. Then here you will find this option. This is the first one with this logo. You just have to download it. And this application is very essential if you want to back up or your videos and the photos on the cloud on Amazon. And now once you log in into your account, you'll now have to click on the Amazon icon on the top left corner. Then after that, you should click on this cogwheel icon. Then you should choose upload settings and make sure that you have these two options toggled on. This option save photos and this option save videos. And if you want to use the mobile data, you can toggle these two options on. You can also choose specific photos or videos that you want to actually use by clicking on this option right here. Then you can simply select any photo that you want to save on your cloud. After that, Amazon will do like a processing to your phone and search for all of your photos and videos that you want to upload to the cloud. And after that, it will upload it automatically. And by this way, you can access your data anywhere, anytime, and from any device by going through your Amazon email and navigate to the cloud storage. And don't worry, you can use your mobile with no issues while Amazon itself is doing the processing. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.